And hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the ZD Racing Pirates 3 Lamborghini out here for another speed run. I did some repairs, I'll talk about that, and then we'll see how fast we can get this little car to go. It's the good stuff, gotta have it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So sorry this has been delayed a little bit. I broke the little car and I had to wait for some parts, but instead of waiting for them to come from China from ZD Racing, I found a turnbuckle. I had to trim cut it and just make it fit, but we got that. I broke that piece. I've installed a new servo, nothing very fast, but an old but good Futaba servo in here, and I believe that's it. I was doing some testing in front of the house. These tires came unglued, so I put the original ones back on. As soon as I got on the gas, it spun around, it hit a dip in the road and went tumbling. I bent this whole shock brace. I broke this piece, so it's been down for a minute. So while I was waiting, I put the new servo in here. I went ahead and got all like the camber and trim set up. This camber's still just a little bit out, but that's as much as I can get it to go in with this modified piece. We have a beautiful Turnigy battery in here that's powering this. This is a 4S Turnigy 2.2 right there. I'll leave a link down below where you can get this battery and the RC. So we do have it hooked up to a Dumbo radio with a gyro. Let's see how fast we can get this little car to go. So we're back. I had to go home, charge up that GPS. The screw fell out of that servo horn, so we got that taken care of. I've just made an on-the-fly, really nasty cut to this fender because this tire was hitting again. Guys, I really just, if you're going to buy something for speed running, this isn't it, because no matter what I've done to the suspension here, there's just so much slop with all these metal parts. It's just, I just don't think there's any real way to keep this thing straight at any kind of high speed, but we're gonna give it a shot. I'm over here at my jump area. We got a really nice long road. So we have a nice long road. There are some reflectors down there a little bit, so I got to get out of it before then. So I think I'm gonna start down that way and try to blast this way. All right, let's just see something here. 0, okay. So we got speed. And no matter how many times I set the trim on this thing, it's still just, it'll veer one way or the other, man. It's just that slop in the steering. So here we go, man. One shot, one chance. No. Oh, God, I thought it was going to hit my car. Well, something's broke here in the back now. That's it. I'm done. I'm done with this car. I don't think it's going to hit any kind of speed. Like I said, something's off here. Oh, let's plug it in. Let's see if I'll just break this thing if we got to. Well, it still moves. It still moves. Golly, that tire's like, I'm gonna put the gyro up. It's probably gonna wag a lot, but maybe it'll keep it straight. Whoa! Wow, I can't believe it's still going. Oh. Well, let's see. See, I'm having to hold the trim one way and then it just wants to go another way. Whoa. That one I think was just air getting underneath it. So that's it. That's a wrap. We'll see how fast it got. And hey, crap, man, this thing's still going. Oh, that back end's like way. I don't think there's any fixing that. Man, it was actually staying kind of straight. Oh, this poor car. Yeah, we're done, man. This back wheel's gonna... It's... Oh yeah, the linkage. Oh, it broke the spring. Yeah. Well, we broke the shock, so that's what happened there. I still like the car. Little bit underwhelming out of the box. Could probably use just a little bit more power. It would be a fun drift car for drifting around a tennis court, maybe the street. Stuff like that. Is definitely not a speed run car. There's just too much slop in that suspension. 57, so not really up there in the realm of speed running, but a lot faster than it was out of the box. So this is the battery I was using. If you're interested, Turnigy high discharge lipo right here. 4-cell 2.2. Look at that. That's a 4-cell. Woohoo! I'm actually, with this ESC, maybe 3-cell would have been okay. Oh, look at that. What a mess. All right, like I said, if you want a car for speed running, I really wouldn't recommend this. This aluminum, these shock towers, while they look pretty, they are very soft. I've already bent both shock towers. We've broken the shock and stuff like that. So not really the car's fault. We're pushing it well beyond where it was designed to. It's really a shame though that it's such a cool looking RC that it is so slow out of the box, but it's not very expensive. If, like I said, if you're just looking to drive on the street, run around your driveway, do some donuts or whatever, and you know, just do some drifting in the parking lot, tennis court or something like that, yeah. But if you're trying to speed run, I would stay away from this. Find something better. So I think the future for this is I'm going to treat it to a new body. I'm going to order a shock and the parts that I need to get this thing back. I'm going to put the factory wheels back on it, and then I think I'm going to put the factory ESC back in here. I'm going to leave the gearing the way it is because I think we were still pretty strong with that. And then I'm just going to have some fun drifting it around, run it on, you know, 2 or 3S, whatever it was. So there you have it. Not a very good speed run car, but yeah, hey, that happens. All we could do is try. It looked so amazing. I thought it would do better, but like I said, just too much slop in there to really make that thing good. So hope you found this series informative, entertaining, whatever. You'll subscribe and join us for more RC vehicle adventures. Links down below where you can get this, the battery, and all that good stuff. Guys, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.